Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question. Which of the following is not a condition to become a citizen of India? Options: birth, naturalization, acquired property, descent. Right answer is option 3, acquired property. Next. Article 5 to 11, Part 2 of Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? Options: fundamental duties, fundamental rights, citizenship, directive principles of state policy. Answer is option 3, citizenship. Next. Who appoints the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Options: President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India. Answer is option 1, President. Next. Which of the following Supreme Court decisions stated that the directive principles of state policy cannot override fundamental rights? Options: in Keshavananda Bharati versus UOI. Second option, in Minerva Mills versus UOI. Option 3, in State of Madras versus Champakam Dorairi Rajan. Option 4, in Unna Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option 3, in State of Madras versus Champakam Dorai Rajan. Next. Who is the head of the State's Council of Ministers? Options: Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly, Chief Minister of the State, President of India, Governor of the State. Answer is option 2, Chief Minister of the State. Next. Chief Minister of State gives his resignation to which of the following? Options: Deputy Chief Minister of the State, Chief Justice of the High Court, President of India, Governor of the State. Answer is option 4, Governor of the State. Next. Indian Constitution taken the concept of single citizenship from? Options: Japan, USA, Australia, UK. Right answer is option 4, UK. Next. What is the tenure of office for the Chief Election Commissioner? Options: 5 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. Option 2, 6 years or 60 years, whichever is earlier. Option 3, 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. Option 4, 5 years or 60 years, whichever is earlier. Right answer is option 3, 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. Next. Which among the following statements concerning the Chief Minister are not true? First statement: at his time of appointment, the Chief Minister need not be a member of the state legislature. Option 2, Chief Minister must always prove his majority in the Legislative Assembly before his appointment. Third statement: it is the Governor who does the final appointment of the Chief Minister. Fourth statement: the Chief Minister can recommend the dissolution of Legislative Assembly to the Governor. And the options: only 2, only 1, only 2 and 3. And the answer is option 1, only 2. Next. Which of the following article of the Constitution is directed to establish uniform civil code? Options: Article 44, Article 40, Article 39, Article 45. Correct answer is option 1, Article 44. Next. Currently, there are how many members in the Election Commission? Options 1, 3, 2, 4. Correct answer is option 3. There are 2 members in Election Commission. Next. Which article in the Constitution on India provides for the post of Controller and Auditor General of India? Options. Article 148, Article 266, Article 248, Article 343. Answer is option 1, Article 148. Next. Indian citizenship can be acquired by which of the following? Options. By descent, by naturalization, all of these by registration. Answer is option 3, all of these. Next. Which article in the Indian Constitution provides for an election commission in India? Options. Article 128, Article 256, Article 378, Article 324. Answer is option 4, Article 324. Next. Who appoints the Advocate General of States? Options. President of India, Governor of State, Chief Justice of the High Court. Option 4, Chief Minister of State. Answer is option 2, Governor of State. Next. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of Election Commission? Options. Lok Sabha Speaker, President of India, Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India. And the answer is option 2, President of India. Next. A person is entitled to Indian citizenship if options. A refugee who has migrated to India from Pakistan. Option 2. Born in India. Option 3. A person is domiciled India. Option 4. All of the above. Correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Next. Which group of the following articles of the Indian Constitution contains directive principles of state policy? Options. 36 to 51, 30 to 49, 42 to 56, 28 to 48. Answer is option 1, 36 to 51. Next. For the Election Commission at the district level, who acts as the district returning officer? Options. District Magistrate, Tahsildars, Police Commissioner, none of the above. And the answer is option 1, District Magistrate. Next. The powers and functions of the Chief Minister of the state are analog to options. Vice President, Governor, President, Prime Minister. Correct answer is option 4, Prime Minister.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.